Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good day, students. I am Muhammad Masoom, your English teacher. Our today's topic is transformation structure base. You have already learned the rules of interchanging simple to complex sentence, complex to simple sentence, simple to compound sentences, compound to simple sentences, simple to compound sentences, and compound to simple sentences. Today we're gonna learn the same thing but in a different way. I mean in inductive method. In this way we can learn the rules of interchanging of simple complex compound sentences altogether. Let us start it. Rule number 1. Since as when change is to be made in the subordinate clause when subjects are same. In simple sentences, the rules are: number 1, if they follow the above trait. 1. Omit since as when. Number 2, verb plus ing of the subordinate clause. Number 3, then write the rest part. Number 4, use subject with the principal clause. Number 5, principal clauses remain unchanged. Example: since the boy worked hard, he made a good result. Simple sentence: working hard, the boy made a good result. Compound sentence rules are: number 1, omit since as when. Number 2, write down the rest part. Number 3, join clauses by using and so, and therefore. 4 number, write the main clause unchanged. Example: compound sentences: the boy worked hard and made a good result. Rule number 2, in case of be verb in subordinate clause. Okay. Rules to be followed: using be oblique because of plus pronoun or noun possessive form plus being. Example: complex sentence: since he was weak, he could not work hard. Because of his being weak, he could not work hard. Compound sentence: he was weak and therefore could not work hard. Note that and therefore is used for showing reason. Rule number 3, when the subject of the clauses are different. To interchange into complex sentences from simple sentences from complex sentence, the rules to be followed: simple sentence, subject of subordinate clause. Number 2, verb plus ing. Here be verb followed by being, have, verb, having. Example: complex sentence: since the weather was foul, we did not go out. Simple sentence: the weather being foul, we did not go out. Compound sentence 1, use and therefore to join the two clauses. Example: the weather was foul and therefore we did not go out. Rule number 4, if is replaced by plus verb plus ing. Example: complex sentence: if you work hard, you will succeed in life. By working hard. Simple sentence: by working hard, you will succeed in life. Compound sentences rules: omit if plus subject. Number 2, use and to join the two clauses. Okay. Example: compound sentence: work hard and you will succeed in life. Rule number 5, Simple sentence to be followed from complex sentences. If not oblique unless is replaced by without plus verb plus ing. Complex sentence. If you do not work hard, you will fail in the examination. Simple sentence. Without working hard, you will fail in the examination. Compound sentence. Rule 1. Use or oblique otherwise to join two clauses. Example, work hard or you will fail in the examination. Rule number 6. From complex sentence to simple sentence. Rules to be followed. Simple, though is replaced by in spite of plus possessive form of the subject plus verb plus ing. Example, complex sentence. Though he tried hard and sold, he could not succeed in life. Simple sentence. In spite of his trying hard and so, he could not succeed in life. Rules for compound sentence. Use but to join two clauses. Example, compound sentence. He tried hard and so, but he could not succeed in life. Rule number 7. Rules for simple sentence. So that is replaced by to or in order to. Complex sentence. Example, he works hard so that he may prosper in life. He works hard. Simple sentence. He works hard to oblique in order to prosper in life. For compound sentence, and want oblique wants to is used to join the two clauses. Example, compound sentence. He works hard and wants to prosper in life. Rule number 8. From complex to simple sentences. Rule to be followed. Simple sentence. So plus adjective plus that is replaced by to plus adjective plus to. Example, the boy is so foolish that he cannot understand it. Simple sentence. The boy is too foolish to understand it. Rules for compound sentence. Use and therefore to make it a compound sentence. Example, he is so foolish and therefore cannot understand it. Rule number 9. When in complex sentence, when if mentioned time is replaced by for short time, at, for month or season, in, for age, at the age of. Let's interpret it by some examples. Complex sentence. She woke up when it was midnight. Simple sentence. She woke up at midnight. Complex sentence. When it is spring, the cuckoo sings. Simple sentence. In spring, the cuckoo sings. Complex sentence. When Samira was 4, she went to school. Simple sentence. At the age of 4, Samira went to school. For compound sentence, use and to join clauses. Example, compound sentence. She woke up and it was midnight. Rule number 10. From complex to simple sentence. If the clause says about a continuous fact, then use at the time of instead of when. Example, complex sentence. When I was eating, the phone rang. Simple sentence. At the time of my eating, the phone rang. Rules for compound sentence, use and. I was eating and the phone rang. Rule number 11, simple sentence. Noun clause can be replaced by noun. Okay, let's see. Complex sentence. He admitted that he was guilty. Noun clause. Simple sentence. He admitted his guilt. Complex sentence. That he is honest is known to all. Simple sentence. His honesty is known to all. For compound sentence, use and. As usual, compound sentence. He is honest and it is known to all. Rule number 12, from complex to simple sentence. If complex sentence is made with relative pronouns who, what, which, that, omit it and make verb plus ing. Example, complex sentence. The doctor who is working in the hospital is known to all. Simple sentence. The doctor working in the hospital is known to all. Note that if the verb is in the past participle, it remains unchanged. Complex sentence. The picture which was drawn by Lisa is very fine. Simple sentence. The picture drawn by Lisa is very fine. Compound sentence. Use and to join the clause. Example, the picture is very fine and it is drawn by Lisa. Sorry. The picture is very fine and it was drawn by Lisa. Rule number 13, from complex to simple sentence, adjective clause is changed into adjective, past participle, phrase, noun in apposition, infinitive. Examples, adjective, complex sentence. The man who is drowning, adjective, clause, catches at a straw. Simple, a drowning man, adjective, catches at a straw. Compound sentence. A man is drowning and so catches at a straw. Past participle phrase. The answer that he wrote was not correct. Simple. The answer written by past participle by him was not correct. Compound. He wrote the answer and it was not correct. Durandal infinitive. I have no complex sentence. I have no money that I can lend you. Simple sentence. I have no money to infinitive lend you. Compound sentence. I have no money and I cannot lend you. Rule number 14. In the compound sentences, not only but also is changed by besides, plus, verb plus ing in the simple sentences. Example, compound sentence. Compound. Mr. Khan not only teaches us English but also writes novels. Simple sentence. Besides teaching us English, Mr. Khan writes novels. That's all for today. Thank you, guys.